Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami daripada grup 3 ingin menceritakan tentang koordinat sistem dan ini adalah senarai nama bagi kumpulan 3. Untuk equator, equator is an imaginary planetary line that is 40,075 km long in circumference. It's also divided the planet into the north and south hemisphere and located at 0 degree latitudes.
Okey, seterusnya ialah meridian. Meridian is an imaginary circle. The length of meridian on modern ellipsoid model of Earth, which is WGS 84, has been estimated at 20,003.93 km. Next.
Latitude is the angle formed by the intersection of a line perpendicular to the Earth's surface at a point and the plane of the equator. The latitude values range from negative 90 south to 90 north degrees. Latitude line are also called parallel because a particular value of latitude from a circle parallel to the equator.
Okay, next for longitude. Longitude line is formed by a plane that passes through the point and the north and south poles in vertical. The longitude value is defined by the angle between the plane and a reference plane. So the reference plane is also known as the prime meridian. The most common prime meridian passes through Greenwich, United Kingdom. Longitude values range from negative 180 west to positive 180 east degrees.
Okay, for the X and Y axis in coordinate system. It's actually a visual method for showing relationship between numbers. The relationship are shown on a coordinate grid. A coordinate grid has two perpendicular lines or axis labeled just like a number in line. The horizontal axis is usually called x-axis and the vertical usually called y-axis. The point where x and y intersect is called origin. In this slide, the numbers on the coordinate grid are used to locate each point. Each point can be identified by an ordered pairs of number that is a number on the x-axis called an x-coordinate and the number of y-axis called a y-coordinate. Ordered pairs are written in parentless x-coordinate and y-coordinates. The origin is located at 0, 0. As you can see at the picture, the location of 2, 5 is shown on the coordinate grid below. The x-coordinate is 2 and the y-coordinate is 5. It is located to 5. Move 2 units to the right on the x-axis and 5 units on the y-axis.
Okay, in conclusion, the equator and the latitude have a relationship where the latitude is the angle formed by a line that goes through the center of the Earth in parallel ways, and the equator is the line drawn midway between the North Pole and the South Pole. Okay, and the equator equator line is where the latitude is equal to 0, and another line that goes through the center of the Earth. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.